guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a full face of NYX product. I've been wanting to do this for some time because NYX is hands down my favourite drugstore brand. So I want to do this for you guys. So it's been a little bit while in the making, but we're finally sat down and doing it. Some of the products are new to me, some of them are not so new to me. And because it's now autumn, I feel like I need to do like an autumnal kind of vibe. So that's what we're doing today. Throughout this, you'll probably see me doing this a lot, and that is because my hair will probably piss me off. But I have a few things that I need to do after filming this. So, oh, we're going with that look. Let's just get into it. But this is the NYX. There's no point me saying what brand it is. It's a full face of NYX. Honey Do Me Up primer. I have seen this on Instagram and other people's videos, and it looks so cute. I haven't used this, so I'm not quite sure how one is to actually put this on my face. Do I just straight spatula to face, spatula to hands, and then face? It does have like, oh, it's all over my lips now. It does have like small flakes of gold in. I thought this would be like a really thick consistency, but it doesn't actually feel thick or heavy on the skin. It just leaves my skin with a tacky base, which for me I love in primers because it gives you that illusion or gives you that notion that whatever you put on top of it will stick like super glue and it won't budge, and that is what I live for in a primer. And it's kind of giving me a little bit of a glow, which I also love, I'm not gonna lie. Next foundation is the stick foundation. I have used this somewhat a lot and it's loved. It is loved. I do like this foundation. This is the Mineral Stick Foundation. I'm in the shade Porcelain because I'm a fair kind of girl, and like I said, I've used this quite a lot. This colour gives me like a natural kind of finish, like a natural glowy dew. I would also say it's very buildable as well. You know I use a beauty blender, so there's no point even saying otherwise. And I just pounce it in. Next is concealer. Now, this isn't technically a concealer, but this is a contour and highlight, but I'm going to use the highlighter shade as my concealer. This is the Wonder Stick Highlight and Contour Stick Cream Contour. One side is obviously a highlight, and the next is obviously a cream contour. I'm going to contour and I'm going to highlight slash conceal because your girl forgot to get a concealer. How? I'm going to go in with the light shade first. Just bang that underneath the eyes. And I'm just going to go in with the contour colour. I feel that my cream contour skills have got better over the last year or so, but there's still room for improvement. But also I feel that with cream contour it just looks a little bit more natural as opposed to powder. I don't know if that's just me. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender to blend all of that out. Okay, and now time to blend out the contour. I always now put 2 lines down I can't do that when I'm talking. I always put 2 lines down the centre of my neck, my chin, my throat area because Rihanna told me to. Basically, having the 2 lines here will just make your neck look thinner, and it'll kind of help disguise the fact that you have double chins. And I'm also doing that contour underneath my chins just to give me some sort of shadow, again to disguise the fact I have double chins. Cream contour blends out really easily. This is like my favourite cream contour ever. I have used several cream contours over the past few years, maybe 2 or 3 years, and I've never found one that's so easy to just blend. So to set the under eyes, I'm going to go into the contour powder palette, and I'm just going to use the colour that is literally hit pan, and my voice is going. And I'm just going to use a fluffy brush. I'm just going to like pat that underneath my eyes just to set my eyes. Mainly because that this powder kind of gives me a highlighted under eye. Because I do like a brighter under eye. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm also gonna put that over the lids as well to stop them from creasing. Because with hooded eyes, that's bound to happen. Then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the HD Studio Photogenic Finishing Powder, and this is a translucent powder, and I'm hoping to God that it doesn't give me like a flashback or anything like that. I haven't used this one before, so I'm low-key kind of scared as to what's going to happen to my face. Not even going to lie. So I'm just going to use a big, fluffy brush and just kind of like do this to my face. I'm hoping this isn't going to like stick to any dry areas or give me any flashback moments, because I can't be dealing with flashback. I just can't. Closer inspection. It has set my face very nicely. It doesn't look like I've got any patches. I don't know if I'm having a flashback moment. We won't know until I probably edit this, because I don't have a viewfinder. I do have a viewfinder, it's on the back of my camera so I can't physically see it. But back into the contour palette, I'm going to pick up this shade here. It's more of a grey, cool tone brown, and I'm going to go in with this one, which is a little bit more warmer, just to kind of sculpt my face with the grey, cooler tone brown, and then kind of warm the face up with the warmer brown. And just kind of buff that into the hollows of my cheeks. My hair, honestly. I honestly thought having my hair like this might look kind of cute and actually look like I've made an attempt, because normally I don't make an attempt with my hair. So I thought I'll just do like a little cute like plait moment, and now I'm kind of regretting it, I'm not gonna lie. And now just taking that warmer brown, I'm just going to buff that around the perimeters of my forehead with a different fluffy brush. So next is highlight. My favourite part of my whole like face routine really is my highlight. And if you are an OG to my channel, then it's no surprise that I am using the Strobe Genius palette. Can't even name it, and I've been using it for so long. Ooh. But in with the lighter shade, which is Hit Pan, and I'm just going to literally cover my face in highlight. So stick that to the high points. It's just an amazing highlighting palette. If you've ever like thought about it and just not done it, you need to get this palette. So moving on to the brows, and for that I am using a new product to me, and this is the Micro Brow Pencil, and I'm in the shade Auburn because my natural hair is auburn. It may look red in some pictures, it may look brunette in other pictures, or purple in other pictures, but I am naturally auburn, naturally copper. So I am going to use this, and so basically you have product on one side and you have a spoolie on the other. So I'm just going to spoolie brush my brows out of, I mean, can you even call these brows, really? And I'm just gonna fill my brows in. There's nothing really else to it. This is actually a little bit too warm for my brows. It's the right colour for my hair colour, but my brows are slightly too dark. So what I'm going to do is, because I don't have a brow powder from NYX or anything like that, I'm going to go in with this, and I'm just going to go over it with like a gel fibre, which is actually a little bit darker, from Maybelline, just to kind of darken my brows up. So I'm back with brows. Basically I had to go over it with the Tame frame from NYX, and this is in the shade Chocolate, just to kind of darken my brows up a little bit. Moving on to the eyeballs, I'm going to go in with this little guy. This is a quad palette from NYX obviously, and this is the colour Riot palette. So I have 4 colours, and I'm going to be using all 4 on my eyeball. So I'm going to start off with this brown, and I'm just going to buff that into my crease. I've used this a few times in the past, so I know the consistency, the pigmentation of these is amazing. Just keeping that brown in the crease, I'm just buffing that out in circular motions, but just back and forth at the same time, just to buff it out. Next I'm going to go into the orange shade, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid and blend that into the crease colour. This orange, once you buff it out, kind of gives off this like gold reflex, which is seriously cute. And then for the outer corner, I'm going to go in with this burgundy red shade. So I'm going to keep that to the outer corner just to deepen it. And then I'm going to go in with the highlighting shade in the inner corner and under the brow. I'm going to plop that on the inner corner, just under the brow, just under the arch. Now I'm going to go in with the red underneath the lower lash line. So I'm just going to use a flat shader brush for that. And take that underneath to connect the top with the bottom. Bring it all the way in to the inner corner. Now for eyeliner, I'm going to go in with the NYX, obviously, Vinyl Liquid Liner. This is in black. I'm going to do my liner and my lashes off camera because they take me so long to do, and I feel like this video is going to be really long anyway. So I'm going to quickly wing my liner and stick my lashes on, and I will be right back. So I'm back with probably the longest wing I've ever done in my life, lashes and a little bit of mascara, because my mascara was not from NYX, was from Tarte, because I forgot mascara as well. I'm useless at actually doing a full face of makeup, because I don't actually do a full face of makeup. That's happened. So now, to finish the look off, is lips. So for that, I'm going to go in with my tried and trusted and very worn out. I might be needing a new one soon. This is in the shade Nude, Beige. This is just a lip crayon, lip liner crayon situation. And yes, I will be overdrawing my lips because I always do. So for lip colour, I'm going to go in with two. We're going to go with the nude and more of a brown. And these are the soft matte lip creams in the shade Abu Dhabi and Los Angeles. So I'm going to do like an ombre look for today. Today's look. So I'm now going to go in with Abu Dhabi, just on the centre for a little bit of an ombre. To set the entire look in place, I'm going to go in with the matte finishing spray from NYX. This is also my favourite finishing spray. So, and this is the finished look, and it's kind of grunge, kind of autumnal, which is kind of what I was going for, and it's all really affordable, inexpensive, cruelty-free makeup that literally you can get anywhere from either the NYX store, from a NYX counter, from Boots, from ASOS. Where else can they sell it? I don't know. Cult Beauty. And yeah, everything that I have used will be listed down below for you guys, including shades and stuff like that. If you did like this video, click thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. I'm here every Tuesday doing something with this face. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!